Managing taxes correctly is essential for every business. With SalesPlay POS, you can easily configure taxes, apply them to products, and manage different tax calculation methods directly from the back office. SalesPlay POS is built to handle tax systems used around the world. Whether your business includes tax in the product price, adds it separately at checkout, or applies multiple taxes and service charges together, SalesPlay manages it all with accuracy and ease. With flexible tax settings and advanced calculation options, you can stay compliant with local tax rules and manage everything smoothly from both the back office and POS app. SalesPlay POS allows businesses to manage taxes and charges with flexibility. There are two main tax methods available in SalesPlay POS: included in the price and added to the price. Included in the price means the tax is already part of the displayed selling price. The customer sees one final amount, while SalesPlay automatically separates the tax internally for reporting purposes. For example, if a product is sold for $100 including 15% VAT, the customer still pays only $100. Added to the price means tax is calculated separately during checkout. The customer pays the product price plus the calculated tax amount. In this example, a 15% VAT is added during billing, making the final amount $115. Now let's see how to enable taxes in SalesPlay POS. After logging into the SalesPlay Backoffice web portal, go to Settings, then Feature, enable Taxes and Charges, and click Save. Once enabled, a new Taxes and Charges section will appear under Settings. To create a new tax, open Taxes and Charges, then click Add Taxes and Charges. Select the type as tax, then choose the calculation method, included in the price or added to the price. Next, enter the tax name, code, and percentage value. You can apply taxes to new products, existing products, both, or selected products only. If needed, you can also enable Apply on Value after other taxes and charges. This allows taxes to be calculated on top of previous charges. Finally, turn the status on and click Save. Now let's see how you can check whether taxes are applied in the SalesPlay POS app. First, open the POS app and select an item that already has a tax assigned. After adding the item to the cart, you will see the Taxes and Charges section displayed below the item cart. To view detailed tax information, simply tap on the item you added to the cart. A pop-up item cart window will appear. Here you can see the applied tax percentage along with the tax toggle button. SalesPlay also supports multiple taxes and charges with flexible calculation order settings. When Apply after other taxes is enabled, each tax is calculated based on the updated subtotal. If you want to disable or remove a tax, you can do it easily from the Backoffice web portal. Go to Settings and open Taxes and Charges. Select the tax you previously created. To temporarily disable the tax, change the status to Off and click Update. Or, if you no longer need the tax, click the Delete icon and proceed with confirmation. With SalesPlay POS, managing taxes becomes simple, accurate, and flexible for any business type. From VAT setup to multiple tax calculations, everything can be managed easily through the back office. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and support, visit the SalesPlay Help Center.